Why should customers buy your products or services? What makes your offering so unique? In this video, we're going to tackle these questions and discover how to make your product stand out. We are all consumers. We have all at least once felt the satisfaction of using a product. Behind the famous wow effect that some companies can create lies a well-kept secret: perceived value. Whether you're selling SaaS software or support and subscriptions like Red Hat, the characteristics of your offering remain a central question. Your business model starts with defining your product's values. Price is what your customer pays. Value is what they get in return. To understand this concept, let's look at consumer psychology. Your potential customers compare offerings based on several criteria: product features, services offered, and the seriousness and skills of the staff. For each offer, they perceive a value that is made up of several aspects. The first is intrinsic technical value. This is the core of the offering, the features and specifications that directly meet a need. Think of a smartphone with a high-resolution camera, a long-lasting battery, and a fast processor. Or an electric car with a long range, fast charging, and advanced safety systems. For software, this could be an intuitive interface, seamless integrations, or effective time tracking. This value is based on measurable elements: performance, reliability, durability, and ease of use. The better the product performs, the stronger its intrinsic value. The second aspect is the service that accompanies the product. It plays a decisive role in customer perception. It's no longer just about what the product does, but how it is presented, supported, and surrounded. A responsive after-sales service, fast and careful delivery, or even meticulously designed packaging can make a difference. For technical products, professional installation or tailored training shows a desire to make usage seamless. Finally, an extended warranty or a simple return policy reassures the customer and sends a clear message: the company is confident in its offering. The service thus transforms a one-time purchase into a lasting relationship. The third aspect of an offering is the commercial terms. These determine if an offer is perceived as accessible and advantageous. Interest-free installment payments make purchasing easier, while a discount for cash payment rewards an immediate commitment. Beyond the price, transparency is essential. The absence of hidden fees is reassuring, as are clear contracts. The ability to cancel easily, or the absence of a long-term commitment, can also be a decisive advantage. Special offers, such as a free trial or a loyalty program, give the impression of getting a good deal. All these conditions remove barriers to purchase and establish a balanced relationship. Finally, the last aspect is the seller's image. It deeply influences the perception of the offering. You don't just evaluate the product, but also the identity of the company offering it. A brand known for its expertise, such as in luxury goods or automobiles, naturally inspires confidence. But the seller's seriousness also matters: their perfect knowledge of the product and their honest communication. Commitment to social or environmental causes also attracts customers looking for meaning. Finally, reviews and testimonials from other buyers are decisive, as they reinforce the credibility of the offer. A strong and coherent image can justify a higher price and create lasting loyalty, because the trust the brand inspires becomes a value in its own right. We have just seen the 4 ingredients of an appealing offer. Before we continue and discover how to use this framework, I invite you to subscribe and like this video. Your support helps spread my work. Let's now see how you can apply this recipe to your open source business. The challenge for an open source software business is to transform a free product into a paid offering that justifies its cost. The price is no longer tied to the software itself, but to the value you add. Intrinsic technical value remains the core of your offering, especially in open source, where the code is accessible to everyone. Excellence in design, integration, and optimization makes the difference. A project management tool, for example, gains value if it offers more precise tracking features, automated reports, or better compatibility with other tools. The user experience is also crucial. An intuitive interface can transform a complex tool into a true work partner. Finally, code quality, performance, and reliability are invisible but essential foundations. Robust, secure, well-documented, and tested code inspires confidence and credibility. All these technical elements embody a mastery and vision that justify choosing your solution over others, even free ones. In the world of open source software, you're not selling the code as much as everything that comes with it to make it usable, reliable, and suitable for professional challenges. The service becomes the true heart of the commercial offering and the main source of revenue. The customer is not just buying a piece of software, but the promise that they will be supported if they need help. Responsive technical support with guaranteed response times, regular updates including security patches, or even certified training are all services that remove the uncertainty that the community alone cannot fill. Offering a hosted SaaS version is a no-brainer for those who don't want to manage the infrastructure. In reality, the customer buys comfort, stability, and risk reduction. They delegate everything that is not their core business to you, so they can focus on what's essential. The commercial terms give your open source offering the clear, professional structure that businesses expect. Where the community model is flexible and free, you offer a tailored, framed, and clear offering. Offering different editions of your software allows each customer to find the formula that suits their needs. Specific commercial licenses for integration into a proprietary product can also create new sources of revenue. The price can be adjusted to actual usage, which allows for fair and predictable billing. Here, you are selling a secure framework that allows customers to commit with confidence and control their long-term budgets. The seller's image is a powerful lever in the open source world. It is not based on marketing, but on the legitimacy built within the open source ecosystem. When your company is the main contributor to a project, it naturally embodies expertise and becomes the reference. This leadership position is reinforced by transparency. By showing that revenue is reinvested in software development, you demonstrate a commitment aligned with the project's values. The company's seriousness is also evident in its communication, customer feedback, certifications, and the profiles of its experts. This legitimacy builds trust. Your customers know they are betting on a solid and committed partner. They also know that every euro helps to improve the software they use daily. This is how open source stops being a risk and becomes a real competitive advantage. You now have the tools to turn your business into an appealing offering. View these 4 aspects as different layers of your product and transform your offering step by step. You can be inspired by the different business models we have studied in the eponymous playlist. The videos in this playlist will give you ideas on all the points discussed here. On this channel, I share my knowledge to help those who want to embark on the entrepreneurial adventure within the open source ecosystem. Together, we can build a network of creators and entrepreneurs to make the open source software business prosper. Together, let's discover, learn, apply, create, and, most importantly, start businesses. If you liked this video, subscribe to my channel. Share the different aspects of your offerings in the comments.